How to buy Amazon Prime. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can buy Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to buy Amazon Prime, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then basically first of all make sure to open up your browser here, and once you open your browser you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you have to go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Now once you go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime, you can log into your free Amazon account, or whenever you try to start your free trial it will ask you to create an Amazon account, so you can follow that instruction. In my case I'm already logged into my free Amazon account, so if I want to get the subscription, what I need to do is I need to tap the start your free 30-day trial option. Here you should be able to see all the Prime benefits, and now you can simply enter your payment method such as your Venmo, credit or debit card. If you have credit or debit card you can enter that as well. After you've done that, tap on add and continue, come back and then tap on continue, and you'd have successfully bought Amazon Prime. This way you can buy Amazon Prime. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.